What up, what up, what up? It's Leon from the street scene, baby. And today, we out here with this cool little Kawasaki we got in the back. So, we're gonna pull that bad boy in. We'll have one of the installers tell you a little bit about it. And the install they did on it. It's all custom work. It's pretty cool, it's pretty neat. Because hey, out here in Arizona, the side-by-side is the thing to have. It's a lot of fun when you're out there in the desert and the dunes just doing your thing. So check it out. Let me know what you think.
All right, here we are in the side-by-side, Kawasaki side-by-side. The first switch here is the lower front light. Second switch is the upper front light. Third switch is the running lights, which are in the middle of these two front lights. The fourth is the backup lights and also turns on the backup camera on the monitor overhead. Number 5 is the whips in the back. Number 6 is the chase lights in the back. And number 7 is the rock lights underneath and the wheel wells.
Well, all right. That looks like a pretty intricate installation. So how long did it actually take you to get this all done?
This was approximately 16 hours.
Okay. And this is Bruce with the specialist here at the Auto Mall. And he's just going over a couple things he did in this beautiful Kawasaki. And I'm just gonna have him turn everything on so you can get an idea of what kind of specialty work we can do. Adding in that monitor up top was a beautiful touch. If you go ahead and turn that on for me, Bruce.
There's
wow, nice,
camera.
clean, clear backup.
There's also a front camera. We'll show you. There's the front camera.
Wow, and for those true rock crawlers, you don't even have to get out of the vehicle. So Bruce, could you run me through all the lights one time? I just want to take a look at everything. Let's just start with the front lights.
Here we go. We got the lower front bar. Okay. Upper front bar.
All right.
Running lights in both bars.
Mm-hmm.
Now we go to the back of the vehicle. Turn on the backup lights.
Backup lights. Oh, that's nice. Oh, wow. And if I'm not mistaken, the whips are color changed. That's a really nice touch right there. Oh, yeah.
You can also change the patterns.
Chase lights, that's really nice. And then we have the rock lights underneath. Are they just one color or are they multicolored?
They're multicolored.
Multicolored rock lights.
My bad, they're just one color.
Okay, well, single color rock lights. Well, I'd like to thank you very much, Bruce.
Wait, we have turn signals.
Oh, we have turn signals. Let me slow down.
We have the running lights in the front of the side.
Right.
Also have turn signals. Right. Left.
Okay, the turn signals here.
Also have hazards.
And we have hazard lights.
And we also have horn.
So this was a complete install of all this equipment. And I see you have a couple indicators on the dash.
There's your turn signal indicator so we know which one's working.
Wow, this is a really nice install. Really nice. Well, Bruce, and a control panel that controls everything inside the
Yes.
vehicle. That's a really good install.
Thank you.
Well, Bruce, from the specialist here on Auto Mall Drive, I'd like to thank you for your complete overview of this vehicle and the work that was done. Thanks, Bruce.
You're welcome. Thank you.
So, as you can see, the Kawasaki was a pretty dope install. So Corby and Bruce worked on this vehicle together, and they really got it all together. There was a lot of specialty kits. It came out pretty dope. And of course, we gotta always thank the people for bringing the new stuff in so we can check it out and get the opportunity to work on unique vehicles like this. So once again, baby, it's the Street Scene, Tucson. Hook us up, check us out. Peace.